Hey guys, I'm on a sell trade on the VIX index and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We're moving in massive profits. More sales is still expected on this index. So here in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my entry points, why I sold this index and reasons why I'm looking out for the sales on this index. So coming to the weekly time frame, as you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame, it can be the monthly time frame as well. Let's basically start from the monthly time frame analyzing this index. So you can see that this index has been bullish for a very long time now, for about 3 months now. This index has been very bullish, right? So I think markets is about to give a retest of this broken zone, because we had this level as a strong level of resistance on the monthly time frame, which we can see here. Price sold from as a resistance. Market reactions at this point, for price broke above this level of resistance, you can see the massive breakout from this zone. So since this breakout, market is yet to retest this broken level of resistance, turning into a support level. So basically, I'm expecting the retests on this zone. So the sales is expected, the bearish move, short-term bearish move is expected on VIX index in the coming weeks and months. Would say this market is bullish generally, because you can see the market structure, price creating higher highs and higher lows formation, which I spotted. Always make sure I identify the market structure, identify where the market is headed to, spot my levels and zones, and make sure that everything is in place for a better market prediction. Right, so everything is moving nice on this index. My sales is still moving good, so I was able to catch my sales by coming to a lower time frame after spotting the market structure. I saw that this index has no highs, there's no level of resistance, there's no current level of resistance to be like, if price gets to it, we'll be expecting this sales from it. So any level price sells from will definitely be a new formed resistance level. So on the weekly time frame, I identified this last bearish move, which we can see the breakout here clearly on the weekly time frame. So price gave this breakout, tried to give a retest on it, but failed to give the retest on it, and bringing up our Fibonacci to from the swing lows of this uptrend move to the swing highs, you can see that this is 1.8 retracement level is in line with our broken level of resistance, which should turn to a support level. Price attempted to retest this zone, but it failed. It gave these little sales, then moved back to the upside. So basically, I'm still expecting more sales on VIX index in the coming days and weeks, would say, for price to come test this zone. So I was able to get my entry points by going to a lower time frame. After spotting the market structure, I identified this uptrend move basically, which we can see that price broke out of and still traded to the upside again. So I'm expecting price to give a proper break or break below this level, though I didn't get a perfect entry point because we could still get short term bullish moves. But I'm still expecting this index regardless, after seeing this break of uptrend, this uptrend structure that got broken. Then everything's looking nice on this index. The 4-hour time frame is looking very much good. So I identified this structure on the 4-hour time frame. I saw the market has been consolidating here. You can see it's clearly on the daily time frame, the consolidation we've been getting at this point. So I identified it on the 4-hour time frame and saw that market is trying to create a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation, and adding to this ascending channel. And ascending channels are bearish continuation patterns, or their reversal patterns would say. So I got this ascending channel spotted, and I'm expecting the sales from it, a strong sales from it, a break below it, as well as price breaking below this level, right? This is breaking below this zone. So this would probably be my next sell point on VIX index. If price can give a good break below this level, give a retest on it, a break and retest, give a retest on it, then I would be expecting more sales on this index basically. So my entry point was that I went to a lower time frame, the 1-hour time frame would say. Went to the 1-hour time frame and identified this formation. You can see that our price created an order block here, a bearish order block, which I identified as well. And you can see how price retested it, gave a test on it here, and is selling from this zone. So everything is looking nice on this index. I'm already getting the bearish structure, which is price creating lower highs formation on the 1 hour time frame. Let's spot it. We got the first highs at this point, the first highs at this zone. Always make sure I identify the market structure on a lower time frame and also on a higher time frame. So we got the second highs at this zone, a lower high. The third highs at this point, a lower high. So I was like, if price can create multiple lower highs, then it's clear that this market is turning bearish, as well as creating lower lows here, a low at this point and another low here, a lower low. It's clear that this market is turning bearish, right? So I got my entries here after a retest of this broken zone. You've seen how price has been selling basically, so more sales is still expected. So I identified this bearish order block and I wasn't able to get my entries on a test of this order block. I had to wait for more confirmations before I sold this index. So I went to that was the, say, 30-minute time frame. No, that was the 15-minute time frame, right? And no, that's the 5-minute time frame, sorry. And also identified this formation here. This is an inverted head and shoulders. This is a head and shoulders pattern formation basically on the 1-minute time frame. We got price from the head at this point, the right shoulder at this zone, right? Right shoulder here and the right shoulder here and the left shoulder at that point and the right shoulder at this zone. So I got my entry after the retest of this broken neckline. I got my entries here. You can see my entries. I had multiple entries. Price was a little bit pushed up to come hunt our SL, but price couldn't get to our SL. I've been getting more sales. More sales is still expected. So what gave me this formation, this structure formation, because I saw a bearish order block on the 5-minute time frame here. This bearish order block after getting this base rally, right? So I was like, if price can give a retest on it, as well as retesting the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern formation we got, I would be getting my entry on the lower time frame. I had a very low risk on this trade because I scaled down to a lower time frame to get a good entry point. My SL is at this point about $4 on a 0.005 lot size, and we know how volatile this index is and how the lowest lot size can make a lot of profit. So risking about $4 on V251S index is very much reasonable. So my SL here, my entries at this zone, I am moving a massive profit. My first CP is likely to be here, which I would say my first CP should be at this point, this formation here, first target level. So our next target level would probably be at this point, right? So more sales is still expected, so we can as well take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity. If price can give a break of this neckline of this structure, would say on the 4-hour time frame, if price can give a break of this structure, break and retest of this structure, this formation would be see more sales on this index. But we could still get price play around here, give a lot of give couple of bullish rejections at this zone, this level, because we've seen previous market reactions here. Because we've seen previous market reactions here, so we could see price react at this zone as well. Then for price to break below it means that the bears are very much in charge of this market and they have taken charge basically. So breaking below this level, giving a retest on it, turning this level out to a resistance, a broken level of support on resistance, then we'll see more sales, would be very much nice, right? So my target levels will definitely be from here, expecting a reaction from this zone and other reactions at this point and other reactions at this point at this zone. So if I'm to hold this trade to run up, I'll be placing an eye at these levels to take partial profits, and I'll be setting my TP levels at this zone probably. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the sell trade on V251S index. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members, and to join my VIP group, message my admin. His username is being dropped on my Telegram channel. So for more videos like this, do well to hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Let me see a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.